So in this video, we're going to be looking at another example of how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. Alright. So again, the elimination method is where we try to eliminate or get rid of one of the variables, x or y. Alright. So we can choose either, okay, variable, and the way to do it is, first step is always assign a number to each equation. So equation 1, equation 2, and then decide which variable we want to eliminate. Okay, so let's assume that now in this example we want to eliminate x. Okay, we want to eliminate the variable x. Okay, so to eliminate x, we must find a common multiple, okay, for the coefficient. So 2 and 7, alright, so one easy way is to just multiply the numbers with each other, okay, to create a common multiple. So equation 1, okay, we can multiply by 7, and equation 2 we will multiply by 2. Alright, so why? Because when 2 multiplied by 7 we will get 14, and 7 multiplied by 2 will get 14. Okay, so again, the objective, make the coefficients of one of the variables the same so that we can then eliminate that variable. Alright, so let's rewrite the two equations. So equation 1 times 7, so 2 times 7 we will get 14x. Okay, followed by y. Okay, so for y we will get 15 times 7, which is 105, so minus 105y, and then 13 times 7 you will get 91. Alright, and then for equation 2, okay, equation 2 multiplied by 2, so 7 times 2 is again 14x, minus 5 times 2 is 10y, and 17 times 2 is 34. Alright, so now we can assign new numbers, so we can call this equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, now to eliminate x, we just have to take equation 3 minus equation 4, or 4 minus 3, doesn't matter. So I'm just going to say equation 3 minus equation 4. Alright, so equation 3 minus equation 4, what will I get? So 14 minus 14, I'll get 0, minus 105, okay, minus 10 will be minus 105 plus 10. Alright, so let me just write it over here. So minus 105 minus 10y, and then here will be 91 minus 34. So here I get minus 105y plus 10y, and this will be 91 minus 34, which will be 57. Alright, so this will give me minus 95y equals to 57. Alright, now let's continue over here. Okay, let's continue over here. So y will be equals to 57 divided by 95. Okay, so if you simplify this, okay, all the way, okay, so this is a minus sign here, so it will be minus 3 over 5. Alright, so I will leave the simplification to you. Alright, you can divide and you can simplify it all the way to 3 over 5. Okay, now once you get the y value, okay, the next step is to substitute this into any of the expressions to get the x. Alright, so I can substitute into equation 1, equation 2 up to me. Okay, so if I substitute into equation 2, for example, so in equation 2 we say that 7x minus 5y is equals to 17. Alright, so 7x minus 5y is minus 3 over 5 equals to 17. Okay, so let's expand this. So minus and minus will give us plus. Okay, so 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be left with 3 equals to 17. 7x equals to 17 minus 3 will be 14, x is equals to 2. Alright, so we have solved for both values here. Alright, so the final answer is x is equals to 2, y is equals to negative 3 over 5. Okay, so that's the final answer here for this question. Okay, so again, this is solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.